My lawn is 2/3 fescue and 1/3 Bermuda. I have worked hard to get my fescue to thrive, but time and time again, the Bermuda just won't go away. So I'm going to change strategies and encourage the Bermuda. How about that? How can I kill fescue in a Bermuda lawn in the winter? I have read that herbicides will not work under 40 degrees. Can I use them during a warm spell? Amy in Winston-Salem, North Carolina on Facebook. So how about that? Change strategies to encourage the Bermuda, but she wants to know, how can I kill fescue in a Bermuda lawn in the winter? So we're gonna start with the lawn guy first here.
One of the things about fescue and Bermuda grass, those are two different types of grass. You got a cool season grass and you got a warm season grass. Depending on where the fescue is located, the fescue in a lot of sun is not gonna do well anyway.
Okay.
It do better in a lot of shade in there. And also when the Bermuda grass is growing, when the Bermuda grass is dormant, the fescue should be growing then. Then if you want to kill it out, then you want to kill it out during that time of the year when the Bermuda grass is dormant. You might want to use some kind of herbicide on that then, try to kill it out of there, but you got to make sure now Bermuda grass is completely dormant before you spray anything on there.
Right.
You try to get rid of it.
Right.
So
Yeah,
you want to
so
do that.
inspect it, to make sure.
To make sure that it's completely dormant. Because if not, you don't kill your Bermuda grass too.
Right.
And you don't want to kill Bermuda grass, and you want to encourage that to grow.
Right. Because that's what she wants to do, right? She wants to encourage the Bermuda
grass to grow.
So Peter, what do you think about that?
Well, I can tell you that poa annua, which is a weed here,
Yes.
basically it's the same situation. You're trying to kill the poa annua, which is growing out of Bermuda, which is dormant. And so I actually go out and I spray Roundup on my yard.
Okay.
But the Bermuda's dormant. Make sure it's dormant, because as he said, if it's not dormant, it's going to kill the Bermuda too.
Right.
Yeah.
Especially, the other thing is make sure in the spring that your Bermuda is still dormant, because it might look dormant, but if you look down at the base, you might have little leaves starting to come up. If you spray it then, you're going to kill it.
You don't kill it.
Yeah.
It do be kind of green down at the root system.
Right.
It still be kind of, you might open up and look at it. It's still got some green in there. So you don't want to start no spraying no Roundup on it then.
Right.
Yeah. So be careful down
You
that.
definitely want to be careful. Yeah, you want to spot spray, read and follow the label.
Read and follow the
Of course,
label,
on any herbicide that you're going to use.
Right. I was going to say on the, she asked if you could do it when it was cold.
Yeah, if you could do it.
Yeah,
when it's cold.
you can spray it when it's cold. I would wait for a warmer day or two that you're going to have, and the fescue won't look like it was sprayed for perhaps months, possibly, but it's dead.
Yeah.
But it's just there hasn't been enough stress on the plant to actually make it look dead.
Right, you're exactly right. So that will be on the label, as well. So you definitely want to spray, and you can spray when you have a warm spell, which is probably what I would do under this situation. So wait till you have a couple of days, warm temperature, then go out and spray. Then spot spray.
Spot spray.
Again, read and follow the label on that, and you should be just fine.
Okay, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.